Today we are going to start second unit 2, indefinite integration 2. Okay. In this class, in second unit we have total 3 topics. Integration, first one is we are going to learn first topic, integration of rational functions using partial fractions. Integration of rational functions means the functions of the form f of x by g of x, their integration by using partial fractions and its problems. What are the rational fractions? Partial fractions. If rational fraction contains f of x by x plus a into x plus b, then its partial fraction a by x plus a plus b by x plus b, because here denominator contains non-repeated linear factors. Next, if three non-repeated linear factors, three constants, f of x by x plus a plus x plus b plus x plus c, then its partial fractions are a by x plus a plus b by x plus b plus c by x plus c. And if denominator contains repeated linear factor, that is f of x by x plus a whole square, that implies a by x plus a plus b by x plus a whole square. Next, if f of x contains quadratic factor f of x by ax square plus bx plus c and into x plus a, that is ax plus b by ax square plus bx plus c plus c by x plus a. For quadratic factor ax plus b. For linear factor only constant. Okay. For only non-repeated linear factors, a by x plus a plus b by x plus a, two linear factors. If three linear factors, a by x plus a plus b by x plus b plus c by x plus c. If a linear factor is repeating, then it is also a by x plus a plus b by x plus a whole square. If a quadratic factor, ax plus b by ax square plus bx plus c plus c by x plus c. Based on this, we have to express rational fraction as a partial fraction and identify or calculate, find the constants, then integrate. We get integration will be easy. Okay, next problem. First, express rational fraction as a partial fraction according to the different cases, then find out the constants, then integrate. So first problem, evaluate integration x by x minus 2 into x minus 1 dx. Here denominator contains non-repeated linear factors, so it is first case x by x minus 2 into x minus 1, that is non-repeated linear factor, therefore it can be written as a by x minus 2 plus b by x minus 1. So we need take it as equation 1 and we need to find the a value, b value. X by x minus 2 into x minus 1, LCM is x minus 2 into x minus 1 LCM, a into x minus 1 plus b into x minus 2. This denominator is cancelled out. X equal to a into x minus 1 plus b into x minus 2. From this we need to find out a value, b value. So if you substitute x equal to 2, this b becomes 0, we get a. If x equal to 1, substitute x equal to 1, this a is 0, then we get b value. So put x equal to 2 on both sides of the equation. X equal to here 2. A into 2 minus 1 means 1, a into 1, b into 2 minus 2, 0, means this term is 0, a equal to 2. That is the first one. Put x equal to 1, we get a0, that is we get b value. 1 equal to a into 0 plus b into 1 minus 2, that is minus 1, so b into minus 1, therefore b equal to minus 1. A value is 2 and b value is minus 1. Substitute these two values, a value, b value, in the equation 1. So x by x minus 2 into x minus 1 equal to a equal to 2. So 2 by x minus 2 minus b value is minus 1, so minus 1 by x minus 1, then integration. Here 2 is the coefficient, 2 will be outside and 1 is minus 1 is outside. Next step, integration x by x minus 2 into x minus 1 dx, that is integration 2 by x minus 2 minus 1 by x minus 1 dx, because here x by x minus 2 into x minus 1 value is this one, 2 by x minus 2 minus 1 by x minus 1, we got it, it is the replacement. Okay. That is, so here 2 is the coefficient outside, integration 1 by x minus 2 dx minus integration 1 by x minus 1 dx. So it is of the form integration 1 by ax plus b dx formula, 1 by a into log of ax plus b plus c. In the both the cases a value is 1, so 1 by 1 will come. 2 is the coefficient outside, log of x minus 2, it is 1 by 1 into log of x minus 2. Here minus as it is, 1 by 1 into a value is 1, so 1 by 1 into log of x minus 1 plus c. Therefore 2 into log of x minus 2 minus log of x minus 1 plus c is the answer. Okay. Let us move for the next problem. First we have to, in this problem, first we have to convert rational fraction into partial fraction and find out the constant values, a value, b value, and substitute in this and then integrate. Okay. Very simple, means it is simplified. Next, second problem, evaluate integration x plus 7 by x plus 3 into x plus 2 dx. Integration x plus 7 by x plus 3 into x plus 2 dx. Here also non-repeated linear factors. So first case, x plus 7 by x plus 3 into x plus 2 equal to a by x plus 3 plus b by x plus 2. Okay, two linear factors. So LCM, this is LHS same, x plus 7 by x plus 3 into x plus 2. X plus 3 into x plus 2 is the LCM. A into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 3. So this denominator is cancelled out. X plus 7 equal to a into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 3. To get a value, b must be 0. B must be 0 means x equal to minus 3. If we substitute x equal to minus 3, its b term must be 0, we get a value. And to get b value, a must be 0, so put x equal to minus 2. X plus 2 is there. If you substitute minus 2 in the equation, a 0, then we get b value. So x equal to minus 2, x equal to minus 3, we get a value, b value. So substitute x equal to minus 2 in the equation on both sides, LHS and RHS. So x equal to minus 2, if we substitute in LHS, minus 2 plus 7, that is 5. A into minus 2 plus 2 is 0. Plus b into minus 2 plus 3 means 1. b into 1 means 1. Therefore b equal to 5. This term is 0, b equal to 5. And substitute x equal to minus 3. X equal to minus 3 means minus 3 plus 7, that is 4. A into minus 3 plus 2, that is minus 1, plus b into minus 3 plus 3 is 0, b term is 0. So a equal to minus 4. This minus goes to this side, we get minus 4. So b equal to 5 and a equal to minus 4, substitute in the equation 1. Okay, a equal to minus 4, b equal to 5. We get integration, x plus 7 by x plus 3 into x plus 2 equal to a equal to minus 4, b equal to 5, that is minus 4 by x plus 3 plus 5 by x plus 2. Then integration x plus 7 by x plus 3 into x plus 2 dx equal to integration minus 4 by x plus 3 plus 5 by x plus 2 dx. Here minus 4 is the coefficient outside, here 5 is the coefficient outside. Minus 4 into outside integration x 1 by x plus 3 dx plus 5 outside integration 1 by x plus 2 dx. We have the formula integration 1 by ax plus b dx equal to 1 by a into log of ax plus b plus c. So here a means ax means 1, here also a means 1, that is 1 by 1 will come log, only log. Minus 4 into log of x plus 3 plus 5 into log of x plus 2 plus c is the answer. Only we need to first express rational fraction f of x by g of x form, express in the partial fractions. Okay, express in the partial fractions and find out the a value, constant values, a value, b value, and substitute this a value, b value in the same equation 1 and then integrate, we get the answer, final answer. And substitute in the equation, then integrate coefficient outside and formulas, we get the integration value. Okay, next third problem. We will move to the next problem. Evaluate integration 2x minus 10 by x square minus x minus 2 dx. Integration 2x minus 10 by x square minus x minus 2. It is also in the form of rational fraction. So first of all, to convert into partial fractions, we have to convert this x square minus x into factors. So x square minus x minus 2. That can be written as factored as x square minus 2x plus x minus 2. Minus x can be written as minus 2x plus 2. In the first two terms, x is common, x minus 2. Next two terms, 1 is common, plus 1 into x minus 2. So x minus 2 is common, x minus 2 common, we get here x and here 1, means x plus 1. So x minus 2 into x plus 1. Therefore, means x square minus x minus 2 can be written as x minus 2 into x plus 1. That is 2x minus 10 by x square minus x minus 2 equal to 2x minus 10 by x minus 2 into x plus 1 denominator value. Denominator contains linear factors x power 1, non-repeated linear factors, that is a by, partial fraction is first case, a by x minus 2 plus b by x plus 1. So LCM 2x minus 10 by x minus 2 into x plus 1, x minus 2 into x plus 1 is the LCM, a into x plus 1 plus b into x minus 2. This denominator is cancelled out, x minus 2 into x plus 1 is cancelled out. We get 2x minus 10 by a into x plus 1 plus b into x minus 2. Here, to get a value, b must be 0, means x equal to 2. Here x minus 2 0 means x equal to 0. Put x equal to 2, we get a value. To get a b value, we have to substitute here x plus 1 equal to 0, means x equal to minus 1. If we substitute x equal to minus 1, we get b value. If substitute x equal to b0, we get a value. Okay. A equal to x equal to minus 1 and plus 2. If we substitute, we get b value and a value. Then next step, 2x minus 10 equal to a into x plus 1 plus b into x minus 2. So substitution, put x equal to minus x equal to 2 in the both side. X equal to 2 means 2 into 2 4 4 minus 10, that is minus 6. A into 2 plus 1 means 3. B into 2 minus 2 means 0. B 0. So 3 1s, 3 2s, A equal to minus 2. Put x equal to minus 1, we get minus 2 into minus 1 minus 2, minus 2 minus 10, that is minus 12. A into 1 minus 1 0, minus 1 plus 1 0. B into minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. So B into minus 3. This term is 0, A value B. 3 minus minus cancel, plus 3 1s, 3 4s. So B equal to 4. A value is minus 2, B equal to 4. Substitute in the equation 1. What is the equation 1? Substitute in the equation 1, we get that is 2x minus 10 by. Substitute in the equation 1. What is the equation 1? Let us see here. A by x minus 2, this one. Substitute in the equation 1, A value and B value. A equal to minus 2, B equal to 4. So 2x minus 10 by x square minus x minus 2 equal to minus 2 by x minus 2 plus 4 by x plus 1 dx. Then integration of 2x minus 10 by x square minus x minus 2 dx equal to minus 2 is the coefficient outside, integration 1 by x minus 2 dx plus 4 is the coefficient, 4 into 1 integration 1 by x plus 1 dx. So formula minus 2 into it is log of x minus 2 minus 2 into log of x minus 2 plus 4 into log of x plus 1 plus c. Minus 2 into log of x minus 2 plus 4 into log of x plus 1 plus c. Okay. Let us move for the next problem. Let us move for the next problem. Evaluate integration x by x square plus 8x plus 12 dx. Here also we have to factorize the denominator first. X square plus 8x plus 12, that is 8x can be written as x square plus 2x plus 6x plus 12. Here 8x written as x square plus 2x plus 6x plus 12. So in the first two terms x is common, x into x plus 2, and next two terms 6 is common, 6 into x plus 2. So x plus 2 is common, we get x plus 2 into x plus 6. Therefore x by x square plus 8x plus 12 equal to x by x plus 2 into x plus 6. That is linear factors. It is first case a by x plus 2 plus b by x plus 6. That is, we get LCM, x plus 2 into x plus 6 is LCM. We get LHS is same, x by x plus 2 into x plus 6 equal to a into x plus 6 plus b into x plus 2 by x plus 2 into x plus 6. Denominator is cancelled out, total both the sides x equal to a into x plus 6 plus b into x plus 2. If we substitute b x equal to minus 2, b 0, we get a value. If we substitute x equal to minus 6, we get a 0, that is b value. Means x equal to minus 2, x equal to minus 6. So x equal to, substituting x equal to a into x plus 6 plus b into x plus 2, substituting x equal to minus 2. That is, if we substitute minus 2, we get minus 2 equal to a into minus 2 plus 6, that is 4, plus b into minus 2 plus 2 is 0. So 2 by 4. So a equal to minus 2 by 4, that is 1 2 1 ja 2 2 ja, so minus 1 by 2 a value. and substitute x equal to, put x equal to minus 6 equal to a into minus 6 plus 6 is 0 plus b into minus 6 plus 2, that is minus 4. So b equal to minus 6 by 4, minus 4, minus minus plus 2 3 ja 2 2 ja means 3 by 2, b equal to 3 by 2. So substitute a value and b value in the equation 1, a equal to minus 1 by 2, b equal to 3 by 2. Equation 1, that is x by x square plus 8x plus 12 equal to minus 1 by 2 into x plus 2 plus 3 by 2 into x plus 6. So integration x by x square plus 8x plus 12 dx, 1 by 2 is the coefficient, minus 1 by 2 outside, integration 1 by x plus 2 dx, 3 by 2 is the outside, 3 by 2 into integration 1 by x plus 6 dx. So formulas, integration 1 by ax plus b, formula 1 by a into log of ax plus b plus c. Here a value in the both the integrands, a value is 1. So minus 1 by 2 into log of x plus 2 plus 3 by 2 into log of x plus 6 plus c is the answer. So final answer is 1 by minus 1 by 2 log of x plus 2 plus 3 by 2 log of x plus 6 plus c. Next, we will move to next problem. Evaluate 3x plus 1 by x minus 1 into x minus 2. 3x plus 1 into x minus 1 into x minus 2. Okay. It is also non-repeated linear factors. First case, therefore 3x plus 1 by x minus 1 into x minus 2 can be written as a into x minus 1 plus b into x minus 2. Therefore LCM x minus 1 into x minus 2. So x minus 1 into x minus 2, a into x minus 2 plus b into x minus 1. Therefore 3x plus 1 by x minus 1 into x minus 2 equal to a into x minus 2 plus b into x minus 1 by x minus 1 into x minus 2. Total denominator is cancelled out. 3x plus 1 equal to a into x minus 2 plus b into x minus 1. So to get a value, put x equal to 1, b 0, we get a value. To get b value, put x equal to 2, a 0, we get b value. So x equal to 1 comma 2. So put x equal to 1, 3 into 1, 3, 3 plus 1 means 4, LHS is 4 and RHS a into 1 minus 2, that is minus 1 plus b into 1 minus 1 means 0. So a equal to minus 4. This minus comes to this side, minus 4. Next, x equal to, put x equal to 2, we get 3 into 2 6, 6 plus 1 7 and a into 2 minus 2 0 plus b into 2 minus 1 1. So b equal to 7, a 0, we get b equal to 7. A equal to minus 4, b equal to 7 in this equation 1. That is therefore 3x plus 1 by x minus 1 into x minus 2 equal to minus 4 by x minus 1 plus 7 by x minus 2. A equal to minus 4, b equal to 7. So integration, that is integration 3x plus 1 by x minus 1 into x minus 2 dx equal to minus 4. Here coefficient minus 4 is outside, integration 1 by x minus 1 dx. Here 7 is the coefficient outside, integration 1 by x minus 2 dx. So it is of the form 1 by ax plus b dx. Integration 1 by ax plus b dx equal to log of 1 by 1 a into log of ax plus b plus c. In the both the cases a value is 1, ax plus b. So minus 4 into log of x minus 1 plus 7 into 7 as it is log of x minus 2 plus c. It is the final answer. So minus 4 into log of x minus 1 plus 7 into log of x minus 2 plus c is the answer. Let us move for the next problem. Fifth one. Evaluate evaluate integration x by 1 plus x into 1 plus x square dx. Integration x by 1 plus x into 1 plus x square dx. So here integration rational fraction x by 1 plus x into 1 plus x square. 1 plus x is the linear factor, 1 plus x square is the quadratic factor. So it will come to third method, quadratic factor. So for linear factor, partial fractions, a constant, a by 1 plus x, first one is the linear factor, second one is the quadratic factor, that is plus bx plus c by 1 plus x square. Now we need to identify or find a value, b value, c value. First one is the linear factor, so we put right in the form of 1 plus x, a by 1 plus x, and 1 plus x square is the quadratic factor, that is bx plus c by 1 plus x square. So LCM, what is the LCM? 1 plus x into 1 plus x square is the LCM. A into 1 plus x square plus bx plus c into 1 plus x. bx plus c into 1 plus x. Here both sides denominator is cancelled out. X equal to a into 1 plus x square plus b into bx plus c into 1 plus x. What is the substitution? To get a value, this bx plus c must be 0 for x equal to minus 1. 1 plus x is there, so x equal to minus 1. So put x equal to minus 1, then LHS minus 1 equal to a into 1 plus minus 1 whole square. Minus 1 whole square means minus 1 whole square means 1. So 1 plus 1, that is 2. That is a into 2. Bx plus c into this is 1 minus 1, 0. Total it is 0. Therefore a equal to this 2 comes to this side. Then it is multiplying, it will divide, say equal to minus 1 by 2. If you substitute x equal to minus 1, we get this bx plus c term is 0, we got a value. So to get b value, c value, a must be 0, means it is a here x square is a square is there, means it never be negative, it won't be 0 again, direct substitution. So we need to simplify equation 2. Equation 2 ni simplify cheyali. What is equation 2? X equal to a into 1 plus x square plus bx plus c into 1 plus x. So simplify this one. Multiply a into 1a, a into x square, ax square, bx into 1b, bx into x, bx square, c into 1c plus c into x, cx. And compare the coefficient, we get the remaining terms. Simplification. X equal to a into a plus ax square plus bx plus bx square plus c plus cx. So multiplication only. Here with a into 1a, a into x square means a plus ax square, a plus ax square. Next with bx into 1 bx into x, bx square, that is bx plus bx square. Next with c into 1c, c into x, cx means c plus cx, c plus cx, 3 terms. Then here x square terms, ax square and bx square. So it x equal to a plus b into x square is common. Next x term bx plus cx, so b plus c into x plus constants a plus c. First term and this last but one term a plus c. Means x can be written as a plus bx square plus b plus cx plus a plus c. So compare x square coefficient. I am comparing x square coefficient on both sides. Then we get here no x square terms on LHS, that is 0. In RHS, x square coefficient is a plus b, that is a plus b equal to 0. Therefore b equal to minus a comes this side, we get minus a equal to what? Minus 1 by 2. A equal to, in the last term book, a equal to minus 1 by 2. Minus of minus 1 by 2, that is plus 1 by 2. So b equal to 1 by 2, minus of minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2. Next, compare constant terms on both sides. Here constant term LHS side is 0, it is 0, and RHS a plus c. Therefore a plus c equal to 0, c equal to minus a equal to what? Minus 1 by 2, minus of minus 1 by 2, that is plus 1 by 2, c equal to 1 by 2. Therefore a value is minus 1 by 2, b equal to 1 by 2, c equal to 1 by 2. Substitute in the equation 1. So first equation we get x by 1 plus x into 1 plus x square equal to, what is this is the first equation, a by 1 plus x plus bx plus c by 1 plus x square. Substitute in the equation, we get x by 1 plus x into 1 plus x square equal to a minus 1 by 2 by 1 plus x plus bx plus c. B value is 1 by 2 into x plus c value is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2x plus 1 by 2 by 1 plus x square. In this, minus 1 by 2 is outside, minus 1 by 2 into 1 plus x. Here 1 by 2 is a common outside. We get x plus 1 by 1 plus x square. Then integration of x by 1 plus x into 1 plus x square dx equal to, this is minus 1 by 2 outside, integration 1 by 1 plus x dx, 1 by 2 outside, integration x plus 1 by 1 plus x square dx, x plus 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Then here minus 1 by 2 is the coefficient outside, as it is integration 1 by 1 plus x dx, 1 by 2 into a separate integration x by 1 plus x square dx plus 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Okay. Next, separate integration minus 1 by 2 integration 1 by 1 plus x dx plus 1 by 2 integration x by 1 plus x square 1 plus x square plus 1 by 1 plus x square dx. To get this integration, it is of the form f dash x by f of x dx. If you take f of x equal to 1 plus x square, its derivative, one derivative is 0, x square derivative is 2x. 2x means here 2 is missing, so multiply numerator and denominator with 2. So we get minus 1 by 2 integration 1 by 1 plus x dx plus 1 by 2 into multiplying and dividing with 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into integration 2x by 1 plus x square dx. It is same integration 1 by 1 plus x square dx. It is formula integration, first one integration 1 by ax plus b formula. It is integration f dash x by f of x formula. Third one integration of 1 by 1 plus x square dx. It is 1 by a into log of ax plus b. It is log of f of x plus c. It is tan inverse x. Substituting. First one 1 by 1 into log minus 1 by 2 into log of 1 plus x, and integration f dash x by f of x dx log of f of x plus c, that is second one. It is 2x is f dash x, 1 plus x square is f of x. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4, f of x is 1 plus x square. So 1 by 4 into log of 1 plus x square. And next third one, it is integration 1 by 1 plus x square dx is tan inverse x. So that is integration 1 by 1 plus x square dx equal to tan inverse x, that is 1 by 2 into tan inverse x plus c. Therefore the final answer is minus 1 by 2 into log of 1 plus x plus 1 by 4 into log of 1 plus x square plus 1 by 2 into tan inverse x plus c, because these two formulas and one more 1 by ax plus b formula. Okay. Here in this problem we have quadratic factor, so we get bx plus c, and for one linear factor only constant, and find the a value, b value, c value. And here directly we don't get the directly, so we have to simplify the equation and compare the coefficient, then we get the constant values and substitute in the equation and integration. Okay, we get the answer. It is answer. We will move to the next problem. Evaluate integration 1 by x square plus a square into x square plus b square dx. Directly it is of the two quadratic factors. We get ax plus b by x square plus a square plus cx plus d by x square plus b square. We have to find out a value, b value, c value, d value. But it is difficult, and it is, if you remember in the first semester, we know the formula 1 by x square plus a square into x square plus b square equal to 1 by b square minus a square into 1 by x square plus a square minus 1 by x square plus b square. It is the formula. Okay, we know that. So substitute in the integration directly. Integration 1 by x square plus a square into x square plus b square dx equal to 1 by b square minus a square integration 1 by x square 1 by b square minus a square is constant outside, integration x square plus a square minus 1 by x square plus b square dx, and 1 by b square minus a square outside, separate integration 1 by x square plus a square dx minus 1 by x square plus b square dx. Next, 1 by b square minus a square integration 1 by x square plus a square dx minus integration of x square plus b square dx. It is last step, and we have formula integration 1 by x square plus a square dx equal to 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a plus c. So 1 by b square minus a square equal to a square is as it is. This 1 by a into tan inverse x by a. Here instead of a we have b, so 1 by b into tan inverse of x by b plus c. Therefore the final answer is 1 by b square minus a square into 1 by a tan inverse x by a minus 1 by b tan inverse of x by b plus c. Okay, this is the answer. Means here we have to remember this formula 1 by x square plus a square into 1 by x square plus b square equal to 1 by b square minus a square into 1 by x square plus a square minus 1 by x square plus b square, then integration direct formula 1 by b square minus a square is the coefficient outside, integration of 1 by x square plus a square dx minus 1 by x square plus b square dx. It is the formula integration of 1 by x square plus a square dx equal to 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a. Here a same 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a. Here instead of a it is b, so 1 by b into tan inverse of x by b plus c. It is the answer. Next, let us move for the next problem. Evaluate integration x plus 7 by x plus 3 into x plus 2 whole square dx. So rational fraction x plus 7 by x plus 3 into x plus 2 whole square. Here first one is the linear factor, second one is also a linear factor, but it is repeating whole square 2 times, so repeating 2 times. So it is in the third case a by x plus 3, b by x plus 2 plus c by x plus 2 whole square. Okay, c by x plus 2 whole square. So we need to find out the a value, b value, c value. So LCM x plus 3 into x plus 2 whole square. So a into x plus 3 cancel, a into x plus 2 whole square plus b into x plus 2 into x plus 3, 1x plus 2 cancel, and c into x plus 3. Denominator total cancel out. So we have to simply we have to write, that is we get x plus 7 equal to a into x plus 2 whole square plus b into x plus 2 x plus 3 plus c into x plus 3. To get a value and b and c must be 0, common factor is x plus 3, so put x equal to minus 3. Substitution x equal to minus 3 on the both the sides. Minus 3 plus 4 minus 3 plus 7, that is 4. A into minus 3 plus 2, so minus 1. A into minus 1 whole square. B is 0, minus 3 plus 0 plus c into it is 0. Minus 1 whole square means 1, so a into 1, so a equal to 4 value. To get c value and this a and this b must be 0, common factor x plus 2, so x equal to minus 2. So put x equal to minus 2. Minus 2 plus 7 LHS, it is 5. A into minus 2 plus 2, it is 0, means a into 0, this is 2. Minus 2 plus 2 0, b into 0. C value minus 2 plus 3, minus 2 plus 3, it is 1, so c into 1, therefore c equal to 5, means a equal to 4 and b equal c equal to 5. And to get b value, a and c must be 0. There is no common factors, means they at a time they can't 0. So we have to simplify the equation 1. Equation 2, by simplifying it is x plus 2 whole square, a plus b whole square, and multiplying, and here also multiply. We get from the equation 2, simplify, x plus 7 equal to a into x square plus 4x plus 4 plus b into x square plus 3x plus 2x plus 6 plus cx plus 3c. Only multiplying. Here cx plus 3c, x square plus 3x plus 2x plus 6. Here x square plus 4x plus 4. Simplifying. Okay. And if we multiply with a here b, we get x plus 7 equal to ax square plus 4ax plus 4a, and bx square 3x plus 2x 5x, so 5bx plus 6 into b 6b, cx plus 3c, and square terms a plus b of x square common. Next x terms 4ax 5bx plus cx, x is common, we get 4a plus 5b plus c of x, and constant terms 4a plus 6b plus 3c. It is the third equation. So compare, we have to get p value. So compare any terms. Here x square term is very simple, so compare x square terms on both sides. In LHS no x square terms, means coefficient is 0. In RHS x square coefficient is a plus b. A plus b equal to 0, that is b equal to minus a. B value, a value is 4, so b equal to minus 4. Okay, a equal to 4, so b, minus 4, b value is minus 4. Therefore a equal to a equal to 4, b equal to minus 4, c equal to 5. Substitute in the equation 1, we get x plus 7 by x plus 3 into x plus 2 whole square equal to 4 by x plus 3, a value, b value minus 4 by x plus 2 plus 5 by x plus 2 whole square. So integration 1, x plus 7 by x plus 3 into x plus 2 whole square equal to 4 is the coefficient outside. Integration 1 by x plus 3 dx minus 4 is the coefficient outside, minus 4 into integration 1 by x plus 2 dx, 5 is the coefficient, integration 1 by x plus 2 whole square dx. So we need formula, first two are in the form of integration 1 by ax plus b dx, that is 1 by a into log of ax plus b plus c. It is, if it goes to numerator, x plus 2 whole to the power of minus 2. Minus 2 means a integration ax plus b whole to the power of n. Formula 1 by a into ax plus b whole to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c, where n equal to minus 2. It is log of x plus 3, it is log of x plus 2, it is x plus 2 whole to the power of minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1. So substitute in the formulas, we get 4 into log of x plus 3 minus 4 into log of x plus 2 plus 5 into x plus 2 whole to the power of minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 plus c. So 4 is the common in first two terms, log of x plus 3 plus log of x plus 2. Here minus 2 plus 1 means minus 1, power minus 1 means it will come to denominator x plus 2, power plus 1, minus 2 plus 1 minus 1, so minus 5 by x plus 2. Log a minus log b, this terms, so 4 into log of x plus 3 by x plus 2, log a minus b means log a by b, and minus 5 by x plus 2 plus c is the answer. Okay, it is the final answer. Next, let us move for the next problem. Evaluate integration 1 by x minus 1 into x square dx. Here also we have only linear factor x, it is 2 times, means linear factor is repeating x square. X square is the linear factor, x minus 0 whole square, means linear factor is repeating 2 times. Sorry. Okay, here x minus 0 whole square, x square can be written as x minus 0 whole square, means linear factor is 2 times repeat. So we get 1 by x minus 1 into x square can be written as a into x minus 1 plus b by x plus c by x square. So LCM, LHS is same, x minus 1 into x square, so a into x square plus bx into x minus 1 plus c into x minus 1, denominator is cancelled out, 1 equal to ax square plus bx into x minus 1 plus c into x minus 1. To get a value, b and c must be 0, so common factor x minus 1, put x equal to 1. So x equal to minus 1, 1 equal to LHS 1 equal to 1, a into 1 square plus b into 0 plus c into 0. So a equal to 1. 1 square means 1, a into 1, 1, a equal to 1. And get c value, b and a must be 0, common factor is x, so x equal to 0. Substitute x equal to 0, that is 1 equal to a into 0, b into 0, c into 0 minus 1 means minus c, therefore c equal to minus 1. To get b value, a and c must be 0, there is no common factor in a and c, means they don't become 0 at a time. So we have to simplify the equation. We get ax square, here bx into x, bx square minus bx plus cx minus c, and compare the coefficients. That is ax square plus bx square minus bx plus cx minus c. So x square terms a plus b x square plus minus b plus c of x minus c is the constant. So compare x square coefficient on both sides. Here no x square term, LHS 0, RHS a plus b, 0 equal to a plus b, and b equal to minus a. A value, what is the a value? A value is 1, so b equal to minus a, therefore b equal to minus 1. It will be. So substitute a value, b value, c value in the equation 1. A equal to 1, sorry, a equal to 1, b equal to minus 1, c equal to minus 1. A equal to 1, b equal to minus 1, c equal to minus 1 in the equation 1. Therefore, we get 1 by x minus 1 into x square equal to 1 by x minus 1 minus 1 by x minus 1 by x square. Then integration, it is 1 by x minus 1 into x square equal to 1 by x minus 1 minus 1 by x minus 1 by x square. Integration 1 by x minus 1 into x square dx equal to integration 1 by x minus 1 integration minus 1 by x dx integration minus 1 by x square dx. It is first one log of x minus 1 1 by x integration log x, and it is integration x to the power of minus 2 dx. So log a minus log b, first two terms log of x minus 1 by x, and here x to the power of n dx integration formula x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c, where n equal to minus 2. So x to the power of minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 plus c. Minus 2 plus 1 means minus 1 by minus 1. So minus 1 by x. Minus 1 by x. Minus 1 will come to, minus 1 comes to denominator, it is plus x, minus 1 by x, minus already it is minus is there, minus plus, so 1 by x. Therefore final answer is log of x minus 1 by x plus 1 by x plus. Here it is, we got repeated linear factors, express and find out the constant, we get the final answer. Integrating, substituting the constant values. Next homework problems. Evaluate integration x by x plus 1 into x plus 2 dx. Second problem, integration x by x square minus 12x plus 35 dx. Third problem, integration x square by x square plus 1 dx. Fourth one, integration 1 by x plus 1 into x plus 2 dx. First problem, linear non-repeated linear factor first case. Second problem, we have to factorize this one, we get non-repeated linear factors, it is also non-repeated linear factor. In third problem, only denominator power is 2, numerator power is also 2, means it is improper fraction, so we need to convert it into proper. Or another method, here x square by x square plus 1 is there, so we have to add and subtract numerator plus 1, then separate. X square plus 1 by x square plus 1 means 1 by x square plus 1, converting into proper fraction. Then integration, it is direct integration, 1 integration x, integration of 1 by x square plus 1 means tan inverse x will come. Now do the homework problems, and in the exercise problems also remaining. And if you have any queries, mail me for my mail id suresh.debbadi@gmail.com. Thank you.